Good morning, guys. So we are officially in New York. I can't find the Empire State Building, but when I find it, I will show you. So, because it kind of looks like Toronto. I'm not gonna lie. I'm here with Rels. We got Casey, and then Gail, Bay, Lon, my Bay. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go get something to eat. And yeah. Alright, so we're here. Day one food adventures. And we're here at what's this called again? Cafe Alice. Alright, so we had breakfast. Now we are going to I think we're going to either Macy's or Bryant Park. I don't know what Bryant Park is, but it's apparently owned by a guy named Bryant. I think it's Kobe's. Yo, is this Kobe's Park? Kobe Bryant? Nobody? Yo, I'm lonely. Guys, we have made it to the Toronto Public Library. Oh, New York, I mean. NY Pull Nipple. Looking for my name. Oh, found it. I'm a donator, that's me. We're in the quiet zone right now and I can't really speak. But you guys watch Harry Potter. Do you know that Neville guy? Right? I found him, look. Okay. What a cutie. Look what I found, guys. Yo. Old school Afro pick. What's up? What's up, guys? I just woke up and we finally checked in to the hotel, took a nap, and now we're gonna go out for dinner. Gonna explore the city. I'm not really sure. Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, hello.
Oh, hey there. I didn't see you.
Where are we going? Wow. Where are we going?
We're gonna cross the street.
So if I ever lived out here, all I do is walk and bike all around the place. And hopefully not get killed by traffic. Alright, we're out to get sushi. We're not really sure where we're going. So we gave up trying to figure out how the train works. We're just gonna walk. If you're ever in New York and you're trying to find Times Square, it's probably that thing right there. Always lit up. Wait, it's Times Square, right? Sick. We were supposed to go to this place called Sushi Burger, but we out here and we hungry, so we ended up at Olive Garden. And no lie, this is my first time trying this. I heard a lot of good things about it. We'll see what we get. Ooh. So this is what I got. So you get 3 appetizers. Because I know Gail is gonna eat a lot. Well, she gets a big meal, but she'll never finish it. So I'm here to finish it.
Hello. Rose Camp. Free salad.
Guys.
Free salad. And so we ordered this little tiny appetizer and we got a lot of wine. Cheesy. Oh my gosh.
What the?
Use that one. Teamwork.
Gail, use your fork.
How's it? Cheese.
It's just mozzarella. Reaction cam. Alright, countdown.
Gulp the whole thing and then bite into it. Bite into it. Look into the camera. And look into the camera and bite. Oh.
Alright, so
Taste it.
what y'all feel to do is
But I
if you ever watch like any kind of like TV chef, right? What you didn't do, you didn't over exaggerate what you were feeling. So I'm gonna show you how TV chefs react to their own food, okay? Ready? Oh fuck, it's actually good though. Just finished with Olive Garden, and fuck, I feel woozy. We just chugged a whole bottle of wine. How y'all feeling, yo?
Full. We need some walk more.
I always feel full. I'm fat. We're going to M&M store because I'm fat. I'm gonna bite into this huge ass M&M because I'm fat. Like that. Holy crap! But yo, imagine that on M&M. I would buy that for like about like $10 per M&M. Sad moment. We were here getting some ice cream. Saw a dead bird. He died. But on a good note, I got some ice cream. Look at this double clone. It's called diabetes. I love ice cream. If I were to survive only on one food for the rest of my life, I think it would have to be Senegal. I'm so tempted to buy some chocolate. I keep looking at the camera, the playback, and I realize how fat I am, and I get depressed. Screw it, we're gonna buy chocolate. So I'm walking, fucking tired of shit, but this is for the homies, Grayson, Tomato. It's all you guys, yo.
I go like this.
There you go.
I'm wondering too.
Yeah, we're almost home. We are almost home. It's legit right there.